Is that something you think about, like what it is to be Irish? Because your work is so associated with Irishness, or it's considered a very Irish type of comedy.
Well, I suppose I would be known for playing Irish characters, and I suppose when you do play Irish characters, even from a comic point of view, you have to analyse and look at them and think about the impact different things has had on them, and the impact they have, and obviously how they then react to whether it be emigration, whether it be religion, whether it be whatever. In the case of the flag, the pride of being Irish. And then an interesting thing about that whole speech at the end of the flag, when the character steps up, and it's a great part of the movie where he asks, I suppose, the question of where are we now? Where have we come as a nation in 100 years, from 1916 to 2016? This is the big commemoration, the big celebration of what? What are we about? He doesn't set out to answer that. I think he just, a rhetorical kind of question he puts out there to make people think. And I think that's a great thing in a comedy, that you can be serious as well, about ourselves, about our look at ourselves.